You filming?
That's right there on your right side on my phone. See?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's you.
This is what a mad black woman looks like getting a facial.
Oh man, why, Christy? Why? Why you gotta be mad?
Because people don't know how to open their mouths.
Okay, so when you start your facial, you ask your client, are you doing okay? Do you got any rings and jewelry on? Because we're going to work the neck area. We're going to go ahead and do a European facial. So for now, we're just going to do the cleansing part. And I'm showing you guys how we're going to do it before she's going to remove this and everything. She's going to have a nice pullover where we can work the neck and everything. So to offer your clients, like, hey, you know, you have jewelry on. I noticed that you need like a little holder, or I can hold your jewelry for you, or would you like it cleaned? You can actually offer a cleaning service. You can actually just put your jewelry in the little cleaning solution while they wait. See?
Oh, cool. Thanks, Ben.
Yeah, you know, gotta clean the jewelry. Drop it on in the bucket. Yep, and it's got this little thing in here, a little swisher. Just swish it down. All right, close it back up, and then let it sit until when they're done. Alright, so now we're going to scrub the face with some cleanser, and we're going to keep it moving. Christy, soap's coming. And that's all she needs. Warm up the bristles. And remember, let's stop the brush for a moment. Let me get our towel, because I noticed right here at her ear, the water has dripped down a little bit. So steam water can accumulate. So just make sure you dab the ears, make sure it doesn't go in the ear hole and all that good stuff, and you're doing good. Or if it's dripping down the side of the neck. There's all types of bibs that you can have for the neck area. Well, it's not really a bib, not like you're going to be eating or anything. But the bib will take care of you. It'll take care of your neck area, so the water doesn't drip down or spackle from the little steamer, because sometimes it can spit and spackle. And see this side. Uh-oh. Time out.
Soap.
Soap. In the eye? Oh, jeez. God.
Okay.
Oh, Christy. Now see how my client just said the soap was seeping into the eye? the steamer has been on, it's pretty much gathered on her face, and it can build up to be water. Water can just drop down and seep down, causing it to go into the eye area. That's why I rarely work the eye area. I work like this far, and that's about it. But it has a way from dripping from the forehead. As you can see, it's about to drip into her eye duct again up here. Just dab, dab. So it can drip down from the forehead into the eye. Fold your lips in, please. Perfect. And that's good. My client notified me that something's going down. You know, something's wrong. Okay, you're good. Again, your fan or your brush might be too fast, so you turn down the volume or the speed. There we go. Because when I work the nose, you gotta go slow. There we go. Cleanse those eyebrows. Those wonderful eyebrows. Forehead. And then we're done. GoPro, stop recording. So now you grab your bowl of water. You drop in your sponges. Take out your brush because you're going to use this brush later for your chemical peel. See, now your sponges have grown. You get that ready for later. Grab a hot towel. Turn off your steam. Whew. Jeez. Test it because it's hot. Okay. Hot towel, Christy. And the face is already steamed, so you don't have to leave it on for so long, just enough to collect soap. You can do a little face massage if you choose. Just be careful of the eyes. And then remove the soap. You said now you don't want a little brother. What are you saying, Christy? What you saying? Talking stuff again? I don't know what the problem be. Man, aren't you happy to see me? Man, we haven't seen each other for like months.
MBW.
Mind your own business? I don't know what that means. So we turn back on the steam, and now our client, we're going to direct the steam to her breast area, pec area, if you don't want to get in any trouble just having problems saying breast area, because some people do misconstrue your words. So just say the pectoral area that we're going to work on, because men and women have pectoral muscles. So we're going to cleanse the neck and the pectoral area. Add in some soap, and it's going to drip down, but it's okay. And that's all you need. Get some water. And it's okay if it drips down to the neck this time. It's okay. So now that you use your hands to pretty much cleanse the décolleté area or neck area, we're going to use our brush in just a minute. Now there's all types of people who do all types of fancy flicking up and tapping on the neck and all this other good stuff, but you don't have to. All you're doing is pretty much providing a nice massage, circle strokes for the person's neck area, chest area, and you keep it moving.
Pectoral.
Pectoral, yep, she corrected me. Pectoral area.
MBW.
MBW. And what is MBW, Christy?
Mad Black Woman.
Mad Black Woman, Jesus. Is there any other? It's gonna be okay. MBW. Okay, I got it. So now, for deeper cleansing and penetration, you're going to use your brush. So you're going to clean your hands. You can actually use that same towel that you used for her face, because you're not going to use it again, and that cleanses your hands. So now you grab your brush, turn up the speed, warm it up. Now there's bigger brush heads if you decide to use one. And this is just a smaller head that I'm using, because I really don't like to change out the bigger brush head because it's time consuming. And it's slippery. All this stuff is plastic, so you're going to be slipping and you're trying to get a good grip, because they don't just pop out. You actually got to put some work into it. And when you're actually scrubbing or brushing over the neck, be careful of the thyroid gland. You don't want to be pushing in. Remember, you have soft tissue around your neck. If you have an attacker, somebody's trying to fight you, whatever, you always go for the throat or the neck area. It's the softest tissue. You still don't even want to push in too much even on this, because remember, it's the softest tissue. Always remember that. Not saying you should go fight people. I'm just saying if somebody messes with you, go for the throat. So switch sides. And get in those pectoral muscles. Pec major, pec minor. Thank you. And see how my client, she automatically turned her neck? She already knows what to do. Normally people are going to be asleep, or they don't know what to do. You have to turn their neck for them or ask them. Sometimes when you ask them, they're going to get an attitude or have MBW, and they don't want to move their neck. They're going to actually have you do it, because you are supposed to be doing the service for them. They're not supposed to be doing nothing. So no, they're not going to have MBW. Let me stop. They could have WWW. Wait, MWW? Mad. Wait. Or MAW? Mad Asian. Do Asian women get mad? Probably not. I don't know. I've never seen it. Only in a Kung Fu movie. Let me stop. Do any women get mad? I don't even see them. Do they? They do? They get angry? They get ornery? They get ornery. Okay. Alright, so now we have done the brush, or exfoliation of the skin for the décolleté area. So now I use pretty much my sponges instead of using a whole hot towel, because remember, the steam is already coming out. She's already heated up anyway, so I don't need to add up hot water with or a hot towel with hot steam. You can if you want to, but I normally just use sponges. What's wrong, Christy? What's wrong? What happened? Who's saying something? What happened? Who did it? Do I gotta do something? Yeah, get the neck area real good. Wash out your sponge. Okay. Do another pass. We're gonna do 3 passes, making sure that soap is totally off. And as you can see around the neck area, it's still there. So we're cleansing really, really well. And this is why we do 3 passes. The last one. And like I said, this soap is very, very concentrated, so you might even have to do a 4th pass like I'm doing right now, because it's a lot. It's very, very concentrated. So see, now it's going away. Yay! So 4 passes actually did it, not 3. Good. Perfect. Alright, so the neck area or the décolleté is now washed and cleansed. Great, because we're going to do an actual European massage, which incorporates an actual massage. Or you can do a mask for the décolleté as well and the neck area, but we're not going to do the mask this time.